Firebase Hosting now supports SvelteKit. Here we have a very basic SvelteKit application. I have a about page, a layout, a few components, and an API route that just returns some data from the JSON placeholder API. Let's deploy this to Firebase. So first of all, you need Firebase CLI. You can install it by running npm install -g firebase-tools. If you have Firebase CLI already installed, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Okay, once you have that, you need to run Firebase login to log in to the Firebase CLI. Once you are logged into Firebase CLI, you need to run this command: Firebase experiments enable space webframeworks. This will enable the webframeworks experimental flag. Okay, now open your project directory and run firebase init. Choose hosting, then press enter. You would be asked to choose a project. I already have some Firebase projects, so I will choose one from them. Firebase will automatically detect that you are using a SvelteKit code base. So it should show you that. Just press enter. Okay, now you will be asked to choose where you want to host your server-side content, like your API endpoints, hooks, and everything that runs on the server. I will just go with the default US Central option. If you want, you can set up GitHub actions for automatic builds and deploys, but I will skip that for now. All right, this project is now initialized with Firebase. Great. Before we deploy though, let's go to the Firebase JSON file and add a max instance and set it to 1, right? So under frameworks backend, I added this max instances to 1. You can change it to any value you want, but the maximum would be 10. If you don't provide this value, you may get an error when you try to deploy this. So it's good to set that to 1. 1 just basically tells Firebase that the function that is responsible for the SSR is limited to maximum of 1 instances. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy, right? So we can just run Firebase deploy and it should just work. Let's see. So first of all, it will build the actual project, right? Actual SvelteKit project. Once it's built, it will upload it to the Firebase hosting and create the cloud function required for the SSR. It will take some time, so I'll be back when it's done. All right, the project is now hosted, and you get the hosting URL here, and you can also check your Firebase project, and in the hosting section you will find the URL. So let's go ahead and open up this URL in a Chrome browser and see what we get. And here we have it. Here is our SvelteKit application deployed on Firebase hosting. Okay, let's test out the API route too. So let's go to /API. And here you go. The API route is also working. We got back some data from the JSON placeholder API. Here you go. That's how you can deploy your SvelteKit applications with Firebase hosting. If you face any issues, let me know in the comments and I will try to help you out. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.